Almost showtime, ladies. One last chance to rehearse for the halftime show.
Woohoo! Giselle may be pregnant, but she's still got it, ladies.
I've been waiting for this moment for 10 years.
This outfit is really embarrassing.
This is a dream come true. I can see the headlines now. 90s girl group, Fate's infant, reunited, comma, back on top.
Hashtag awesome.
How about hashtag Los Alamitos high school football game, hashtag coordinated weather was never in fashion, hashtag why are we doing this again?
Don't be such a bitch, Riley. That's the type of attitude that broke us up a decade ago. It's the state championships, so hashtag big fucking deal. Fate's infant is reunited, and it feels so good.
But we're missing LaToya?
Shh! How dare you mention LaToya? That bitch.
She was nice?
Please! Her mediocre harmonizing on Me Beat Me on My Two-Way secured her fate in 97.
She introduced me to my husband. She ruined my whole life.
Enough! We will not let LaToya ruin our moment of destiny. So let's run through the set list.
Okay, so we open up with log in dial up connect me for my e-love.
Followed by, my cable bill is due, click what you gonna do.
And then we bring down the house with our beloved and rousing anthem, sexy feminists, no broths for those chicken heads. Okay, let's run the dance from the top. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ow.
Michelle, are you effing kidding me? I'm 8 months pregnant and I can do that move fine. You've lost your touch.
Whatever, G. At least I didn't get knocked out by some loser.
And here we go!
Corey Z is not a loser! He's gonna be famous one day and he's gonna turn the rap game upside down.
Oh, yes. All that exposure he gets DJing Tuesday nights at the Neon Cactus will certainly open doors.
You are a jealous bitch, Riley. You always have been. You know what? One day, we're gonna rule the pop charts. And while you're wallowing in your own mediocrity, we are going to win Grammys, launch fragrances, and elect presidents.
And isn't that what you always wanted, Giselle? To have your own solo career? You're the reason we broke up in the first place.
I expected this from her.
Rude.
But not you, Riley. We've been singing together from before we were Fate's infant. Remember when we were Karma's fetus? Our Star Search routine?
Sidestep shuffle, baby, but no! No! I'm not gonna fall into your lovely trap, Giselle. Let's just make it through tonight so we can go back to not speaking to each other.
That's it, guys. Yay! Frenzies.
Oh my god. I think my water just broke.
What? Who? Where?
You can't see it through the pleather. It's like a raincoat over my vagina.
Almost showtime, ladies.
Oh no, man. If Fate's infant is manifest, she's coming. Go on without me.
We can't do this without you.
What are we gonna do?
I still remember every move.
Who are you?
Beat me on my two-way if you wanna be my baby.
LaToya?
That's right. I'm back, bitches. It's Tyson now, but I never forgot my painful time with Fate's infant. I put you guys on this gig just to sabotage your performance. But now, I just want to sing one more time.
Your voice has changed like a full lot.
No time. Halftime show's only 3 hours. Let's do it.
Fine, take this tape. Just lip sync over my parts. Make you so proud.
I gotta take it the altar.
And now, Fate's infant!
Beat me on my two-way if you wanna be my baby. You won't have time to wait. Don't be beating me on my two-way. Like a drug to you, be pain to me. 911 emergency. bands, we gon' hit up the mall, but only if you call. You beat me on my two-way, you wanna be my baby. Every night I pray you beat me on my two-way.
Coming straight from the Neon Cactus, my friend, Chorus.
Yo, what's up, me, yo? Beep, motherfuckers. Yo, check it. Want you to meet my brand new daughter, fresh out my girls and sales
Telling me, giving the hard sell, paging me, calling me on my next bill. Case, Mrs. Mistress, wet and wild on my lips. Tommy girl, CK1, baby boy, let's have some fun. This in your minivan or on your Discman, get you drunk to make it blue. Oh no, we make a great duo. Beat me on my two-way if you wanna be my baby. If you don't, you must be crazy. Just beat me on my two-way.